Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Guys, today I'm going to show you a different type of a mount for my Arlo Pro 2 security camera, okay? Now these things have, their magnetic mounts that come with them aren't too bad, but I want something, I do like something that, is able to attach to a screw, and their little mount only has that like one screw in the back that kind of holds it. Not that I've had a problem with it, but I like something that screws a little more solid. And I needed something with some more versatility because I'm trying to keep the camera underneath the gutter so it's out of the weather. I know they're weatherproof. You can get rained on, but you can't see the lens when it's rained on. And we get hail out here, and we get freezing rain and ice, and my camera is going to be no good covered in ice, okay? So I got this cool, like 3-jointed multi-position mounting arm. It's, off of Amazon, which I'll have Amazon links in the description down below for it. And we're gonna mount this and show you how it works up here, okay? Kind of excited about it so I can get some good views because I've been like stuck on this one side of the house, can't get the right view. I tell you, that beagle just won't give up, will he? Okay, so now we're gonna screw the camera on and try to give it a good position. And this thing gives you a lot of range. Oh yeah, there's definitely angles I could not reach even close to before. All right, so now you just gotta finish up by using the app and try to position that camera to the live feed you want it to be. That arm certainly gives you a huge range of how you can position that camera in places I just never even thought I was going to be able to get to. So I'm really glad I found it. Again, Amazon links description down below. Thanks so much for watching. Please take time to subscribe to the channel. Check out my website, hundreds more videos organized really, really well. And there's another video for you to watch as well. Thanks again.